You can definitely expect an opinion-based beginning, middle, and end from 5-year-olds. But like all things in writing, you're going to need to scaffold your instruction. Since opinion writing requires students to identify what they think or feel, we need to start there with the beginning. The beginning of opinion writing, or the introduction, is like the train engine. This first sentence is where students identify what they think or feel, and keep in mind it's not just things that they like, but they write opinions about things they dislike as well. And don't forget that opinion writing can be brought into their favorite books or even characters from different texts. While we address what goes within the beginning of an introduction, you also want to tell kids what does not go in that first sentence. It's natural for students to tell you what they think or what they feel but we don't want that. We don't want the because statement as part of the first sentence. That is the middle. We want to introduce our students to the what and why structure. The beginning is where students tell you what they think or what they feel, period. Then they start the next sentence, and this is the beginning of the middle. This is where they tell you why they think that. Initially, we're looking for a single reason, but in its own second sentence. Then we want 2 reasons and even 3 reasons for why they think what they think. Students can utilize those black line masters to write or draw what they think and why, and you can have students just taping together more pieces of paper. But eventually, you need to introduce them to the caboose, the ending to the train. The opinion writing standards for primary simply say that students need to end with a sense of closure. Well, a pretty common ending to opinion writing is to restate what you think or feel. And of course, if students are doing any kind of review or recommendation, this is where they could give their rating. Let me end with a fabulous sample that was generated after the class had listened to Duck, Rabbit. As they were listening to this book, every page gave evidence that the character was a duck with a bill or a rabbit with ears. Check out this sample by a first grader in Louisville, Kentucky. His opening line is, "I think it is a rabbit." That's his opinion opening. Then he gives 3 reasons why. I saw the rabbit hop. I heard the rabbit sniff the air. I saw the black whiskers on the rabbit. 3 reasons why. And then he wraps with, that is why I think it is a rabbit. There it is. Everything we want from a primary writer. The what and why. The opinion with reasons why. All in the format of beginning, middle, end.